just wanted to do a quick review here. Got my Rustler VXL. Wanted to do a quick little test of the Proline road rage tires. You can see they're brand new. Just want to do a little test, see what kind of grip they get and how well they do. That's a good run, and on the 3S, after I'll show at the end of the video what the tire looks like to give you an idea of how bad it's wearing. Stay tuned. And here's what the back tires look like. They're, you can see it's still got a little bit of the factory molding there that was left in the middle, so they seem like they're going to hold up pretty well. Flip this around and show you the other one. It's they spin a little bit, but they're definitely not wearing down like the stock tires was. So hopefully you find this helpful. Thanks.